Hello everyone, the Lakers are making noise again in the NBA, and today we have a special dive into the wins, challenges, and numbers that outline the current journey of the Lakers. Of course, we'll start by celebrating the recent victory over the Raptors, but we won't stop there. Let's take a closer look at what's working for the Lakers, as well as identify those areas that still need some polishing. If you're here to catch details on what to expect from this team for the postseason, you've come to the right place. Get ready to gain a new perspective on the Lakers' current state and be even sharper in future basketball conversations. So, on Tuesday night, the Lakers faced a significant challenge against the Toronto Raptors, securing a resounding victory of 128-111. This triumph marked the 7th win in 8 games, showcasing the upward trend the team is currently experiencing. LeBron James once again shone brightly, recording 23 points and dishing out 9 assists. With another stellar performance, LeBron not only reaffirms his leadership position, but also highlights his unique ability to influence the game in multiple dimensions, elevating the performance of his teammates in crucial moments. Anthony Davis also had a solid game, tallying 21 points and 12 rebounds. His performance reiterates Lakers fans' expectations of his ability to dominate both offensively and defensively. The game against the Raptors served as a reminder of the significant impact Davis can have on the outcome of games, leaving everyone increasingly eager for the postseason. D'Angelo Russell emerged as a crucial element, once again proving to be a lethal three-point threat. With 7 made shots on 14 attempts, Russell contributed 25 points, crucial for dismantling the Raptors' defense and securing the Lakers' victory. Additionally, Rui Hachimura and Max Christie played pivotal roles, chipping in with 14 and 12 points, respectively. Their performances emphasize the depth and versatility of the Lakers roster, aspects that will be decisive for the team's success in the late stages of the season and the playoffs. This victory not only cements the Lakers' position as a legitimate threat in the conference, but also showcases the team's ability to execute its game plan and adapt to adversities. As the Lakers prepare for the upcoming challenges, this win is proof that the Lakers do not give up and are striving for success. In summary, the victory against the Raptors is not just another triumph for the Lakers, but a demonstration of their collective growth and determination to overcome challenges. As the season progresses, the Lakers assert themselves as a team that cannot be underestimated. Now, what really made the Los Angeles Lakers shine in the last victory was their dominant assertiveness after halftime, especially notable in the third quarter. In this critical period, the Lakers elevated their game with an aggressive approach that not only surprised the Raptors, but also set the tone for the remainder of the match. This was the key moment where the Lakers managed to significantly increase their lead, demonstrating their ability to step up their effort when most needed. However, the most impressive aspect of the victory wasn't limited to the points scored. It was the team's 38 assists that truly stood out, showcasing a harmonious collective effort and impeccable game execution. This significant number goes beyond mere statistics. It underscores the Lakers' commitment to a synergistic style of basketball, where each player plays a vital role in the group's success. The team showed a deep understanding of the value of ball movement, creating opportunities and exploiting the opponent's vulnerabilities with precision. This victory transcends merely securing another positive result in the season. It puts significant pressure on the Suns and the Kings, direct competitors of the Lakers in the playoff race. Occupying the 9th position may seem contradictory, but it only underscores the intense competitiveness of the conference this year. Every win is crucial, and by stacking successes against teams also in the fight, the Lakers not only solidify their position, but also send an unequivocal message. They are determined to fight until the last second. Therefore, as we approach the end of the season, it becomes clear that the Lakers are gaining momentum at the perfect time, leaving open the question: how far can this wave of victories take the team? After the remarkable triumph against the Raptors, Rui Hachimura shared his reflections on the match and his contribution to the team's victory. He emphasized the importance of cohesion and shared confidence among the players, pointing out that success was the result of teamwork. As the Los Angeles Lakers progress through the season, their expedition through the East has revealed both the immense potential and the ongoing challenges faced by the team. The need to continue exerting pressure on the Phoenix Suns and the Sacramento Kings is crucial. Each match and each victory not only elevate the Lakers' position in the standings, but also send a warning to direct rivals that the team is there. This constant pressure is a test of resilience and determination, not only for the Lakers but for all teams in contention. The team's performance on this journey illustrates the group's maturity, the ability to adapt to difficulties, and the relentless commitment to excellence. By maintaining this dynamic, the Lakers aim not only for a higher seeding but also lay the groundwork for overcoming the challenges of the playoffs. As the Los Angeles Lakers gear up for the showdown with the Washington Wizards, strategy and preparation take center stage. Coming off a string of notable triumphs, the upcoming matchup represents both a new opportunity and new challenges to overcome. The Wizards, despite their inconsistent season, cannot be underestimated, as evidenced by a notable victory against the Bucks, showing they are capable of causing surprises. The game against the Wizards also carries an emotional dimension for Rui Hachimura, who will face his former team. The Lakers must continue to prioritize team play and ball movement, optimizing the versatility and talent of their roster. With precise tactical execution, both offensively and defensively, and smart strategic adjustments, the Lakers have the opportunity to exploit the Wizards' vulnerabilities, paving the way for another crucial victory in the season's critical phase. And that's not all. With the regular season schedule coming to an end, the Lakers have ahead of them a series of games that will be decisive for their final placement before the postseason. After facing the Wizards, the challenges do not diminish, with matchups against the Cleveland Cavaliers, the Minnesota Timberwolves, and the Golden State Warriors. Each of these games is more than just a game. It's a trial by fire for the Lakers' strategy and resilience. The home games against the Cavaliers and the Timberwolves offer the Lakers the chance to capitalize on the advantage of playing on their home turf, where the energy of the crowd can be a determining factor. The team needs to maintain the momentum from recent games and demonstrate that they can dominate direct opponents in the fight for the top spots in the postseason. The dynamics and synergy demonstrated so far will need to be at their peak, leveraging fan support to boost the team's performance. Folks, we're at the end of another regular season together, and it's clear that the Lakers are facing a crucial moment, balancing between maintaining a good position in the standings and preparing for a strong postseason performance. But don't worry, they've already shown an important point. Overcoming adversities, especially injuries, and effectively managing playing time for stars like LeBron James and Anthony Davis are essential. Now, the strategy involves intelligent player rotation to keep the team competitive and cohesive, as well as utilizing every game to strengthen the defense and optimize the offense, particularly three-point shooting. So, with this winning streak, everyone is looking forward to the postseason, and I believe the Lakers can do very well. Just as we had signs in the game against the Nets, if you haven't seen the video we made of that game yet, I'll leave it here on the screen. And if you enjoyed today's video and want to continue receiving detailed analysis and first-hand updates, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Your participation makes all the difference and helps us bring even more quality content to you.